The OneMain Financial BrightWay credit card is designed for people who are looking to build or rebuild their credit while enjoying a few rewards along the way. Right off the bat, this card offers a credit limit of up to $2,000, which can be great for those just starting to build their credit or people looking for a manageable credit line. It comes with an annual fee, but for those who are still building their credit, this could be a way to prove your financial responsibility and make progress toward better credit options. One of the standout features is the unlimited 1% cash back on all eligible purchases, which isn't going to break the bank, but it's a nice bonus to get something back for spending. This cash back is applied directly to your card balance each month, which can help reduce what you owe. If you're looking for a way to make everyday purchases a little more rewarding, this is a simple and effective way to do it. What's interesting about the BrightWay card is its focus on growth. While most cards mainly assess your credit history, this one also takes your potential into account. This means that if you pay your bills on time, you can earn rewards that could include a credit limit increase or a reduction in your APR. These rewards are unlocked after you make 6 consecutive qualifying payments, which gives you something tangible to look forward to in just a few months. For someone who's working on building their credit, this is a really motivating factor. You're not just stuck with the same limit and APR for years, you actually have a path to improving your financial situation. The BrightWay app makes managing the card easier, which is another plus. It's designed to help you track spending, monitor your payment progress, and keep an eye on milestones. This kind of app integration makes it simple to stay on top of things, which is key for anyone looking to improve their credit. It also helps you know when you're close to earning rewards, so you can stay motivated to keep up with your payments. However, there are some downsides to keep in mind. The annual fee for the card can be a bit of a turnoff, especially for those just starting to build credit and may not want to deal with extra costs. If you're someone who prefers a no annual fee card, this could be a deal breaker. And while the 1% cash back is nice, it's not the most competitive rate out there. Some other cards may offer higher cashback percentages, especially if you're willing to pay an annual fee or meet specific spending requirements. Also, the card is currently only available to select customers, so you might not be able to apply for it just yet. But this could be a good sign for those who get in early, as they may get special offers or early access to new features. In conclusion, the BrightWay credit card could be a solid choice for someone looking to build or rebuild credit, with the added bonus of earning some cash back and being rewarded for on-time payments. It's simple, straightforward, and integrates well with an app that keeps everything in check. Just be mindful of the annual fee and the fact that the cashback is pretty modest compared to some other options out there. If you're just starting out or want a no-fuss way to manage a credit card while you work on improving your credit, the BrightWay card could be a good fit.